Children, in this lithosphere endogenetic process, already we saw about the earthquake. Understand? Earthquake and the tsunami. Now we are going to see about the volcanoes. Do you know what is volcano? எரிமலை சொல்கிறோம்ல, that is called as volcano. Understand? Volcanoes. The volcanoes, it will happen on the vent. அதுக்கு என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்? We should say it as the opening. The opening is called as the vent. Vent is a vent or opening on the surface of the earth. It is called as volcano. And it will have the volcano la என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? The solid, liquid and gaseous material called as magma. This is very important. எரிமலை பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா பிள்ளைங்களா? The volcano, in some pictures we can see. அப்படியே மலை மாதிரி இருக்க near the mountains, the top, that is called as vent, the opening of the mountain. Understand? That is called as vent, or we can say it as crater, crater, crater. Understand? ஸோ அதிலிருந்து தான் அந்த நெருப்பு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், பூமிக்குள்ளேருந்து அந்த மவுண்டன் வழியாக அப்படியே வெளியில் வந்து வெடித்து அப்படியே செதறும். அந்த நெருப்பு குழம்புன்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, நெருப்பு, அந்த ஃபயர், that is called as magma. The fire, the molten material, the molten fire which is occurred from the volcano, it is called as magma. Understand? After the magma, those fire, the liquid fire, it will flows, it will blow outside the earth, and they are called as lava. Can you able to follow? The surface on the magma rises and it's pull the lava on the surface of the ground. It is called as lava. The volcanoes are having, generally it is having the three components. What we can say? The volcanoes, it is having three components. There are three components in the volcano. What are they? First one is magma chamber. See all of you, magma chamber. And the second one is called as vents. And the third one is called as volcanic cone. Volcanic cone. And the fourth one is called as crater. I told you, no, crater. So there are four components in the volcanoes. How many components are there in the volcano? There are four components. What are they? Magma chamber, first one, and next one is vents, and the third one is volcanic cone, and the fourth one is crater. One by one we'll see. First one, the what we can say, the magma chamber. It is the liquid rock found beneath the surface of the earth. Liquid rock. It is called as what? Magma chamber. And what are vents? It is an opening of the earthquake. Opening of the earthquake. Opening of serving. Volcanic cone is a landform built by the magma. Landform built by the magma. And the crater is a bowl shaped depression. It is called as crater on the top of, at the top of the earthquake. Understand? Top of the earthquake na எப்படி, the mountain, இந்த மாதிரி the mountain இருக்குல்ல, இந்த இடத்துல இப்படி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is crater. இதில் இருந்து தான் என்ன ஆகும், அப்படி it will occur. That is called as crater. Okay, so what are the four components of the volcano? They are magma chamber, that is it will, the magma, it blast. Understand? It blast out of the mountain, and all the lava, it will give the liquid rock which is called as lava. And the second one is called as vents. It is the opening of the volcano on the mountain. And the third one is volcanic cone. The liquid, it will create some landforms like cone. Understand? They are called as volcanic cone. And the fourth one is crater. It is at the top of the mountain. It will occur bowl shaped. Bowl பாத்திருக்கோம்ல நம்ம வீட்ல எல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல bowl. அந்த மாதிரி ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். It is called as crater. Bowl shaped. Okay children. Now on the base of the volcano, we can divide the volcano into three types. Three important types are there. They are called as active volcano, dormant volcano, and dead volcano. One by one we'll see now. What are the three types of volcano? Based of the eruption perpendicularly, we can divide the volcano into three types. Three types of volcano. What are they? First one, active volcano. Active volcano. And the second one, dormant volcano. Dormant volcano. Volcano ku V mattum podra miss. Okay. And the third one is extinct volcano. Extinct or dead volcano. Extinct or dead volcano. The third one. This is dormant or sleeping volcano. And this is active volcano. How many types are there? The main, because on the comparative, understand what we can say, on the eruption of the volcano, we can divide the volcano into three types. What are they? Active volcano, first one. Second one is dormant, or we can say it as sleeping volcano. And the third one, extinct or dead volcano. One by one we'll see it now. And active, first one is active volcano. ஆக்டிவ்னாலே என்ன, அப்படியே ஆக்டிவாக இருப்பாங்க, சுறுசுறுப்பாக ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக. அப்போ அந்த வல்கனோ எப்படி இருக்குமா, அந்த ஏரியா, தட் ஏரியா, த மவுண்டன் வில் பி ஆல்வேஸ், த volcanoes will happening. That is called as active volcano. Where we can see this active volcano constantly eject volcano lava. எப்படி கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக லாவாவை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? இட் ப்ரொடியூஸ்ட் லாவா கான்ஸ்டன்ட்லி அண்ட் கேஸஸ், மெட்டீரியல், fire. The lava is called as fire material. And we can see it as example is Saint Helen in United States, USA. This is called as active volcano. And the second one, dormant volcano or sleep volcano, do not show any sign or volcanic activity. Sleeping சொல்கிறோம். ஸ்லீப்பிங்னா என்ன, அப்படியே சைலண்ட்டாக. ஸ்லீப்பிங்னா தூங்கினே இருக்குமா, வல்கனோ தூங்கினே இருக்குமா? நோ, it won't be active, it will be silent. Understand? Do not show, and suddenly it will occur for a long period of time. Long period it won't be show, and it explosion, sudden explosion ஆகும். சடன்னா explosion, sudden explosion which may occur unimaginable loss, destruction of loss and life, and loss of life and property. Life and property. இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், மவுண்ட் ஃபியூஜி in Japan. Again, I'll explain it again. And the third one is extinct or dead volcano. This is permanently permanently it is stop. It won't be, the volcano won't be active. It is called a dead volcano. Understand? இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னு சொன்னால், it is Kilimanjaro in Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Tanzania is in Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Have you understand, children? So, because of the eruption, the volcanic eruption, there are three types of volcanic activity. They are active volcano, dormant volcano or sleeping, dormant or sleeping volcano, and extinct or dead volcano. Active volcano, it will constantly, the lava will come out, the lava, the magma, the fire, the gases, it will come out from the mountain. எப்பொழுதுமே ஆக்டிவாக வல்கனோ வந்துட்டே இருக்கும், எரிமலை வெடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கும், வெடிச்சு செதறிட்டே இருக்கும், volcanic eruption. Understand? So it is called as active volcano. Okay, அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்னன்னா Saint Helen in USA, United States of America. Understand? And the second one is dormant, or it is called a sleeping volcano. It will, for a long period of time, it will be silent. It do not show any activity. It will be silent for a long period. But suddenly, a sudden explosion will occur. திடீர்னு ஒரு நாள் என்ன ஆகிடும், அப்படியே வெடிச்சு செதறும். And it will cause much distraction to nearby the places. பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற எல்லா places, ஏரியாஸையும் அது ஃபயரில் அப்படியே அழிச்சிடும். Understand? Much distraction, much loss of life and property will occur because of this dormant volcano, that is sleeping volcano. For that example is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, it is in Japan. இப்போ for the past ஒரு 2 years before, அங்கே ஜப்பானில் இந்த volcano தான், எரிமலை தான் வெடிச்சு much distraction. Most of the places they got fired. Understand? And the third one is extinct or dead volcano. Always it will be silent only. It won't be active at all. அதுக்கு example Mount Kilimanjaro. It is in Tanzania. Tanzania is in Africa. Have you all understand, children? So these are the three types of volcano. Here, apart from this, because of the composition and structure, other three volcanoes are there. They are called as what we can say, composite volcano, the fourth one. Composite volcano, and fifth one, volcanic dome, and the sixth one, shield volcano. Shield volcano. Here, because of the structure and composite in nature, apart from the three important type, there are other types of volcano also. They are called as composite volcano, volcanic dome and shield volcano. அதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு சொன்னால், அதை வெடிச்சு செதறது இல்லை, the lava, the magma, it will in a volcanic dome na, in a dome ஷேப்பில். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நம்ம மாஸ்க்லலாம் பார்த்துக்கோ, பெரிய பெரிய டூம் இருக்கும். ஓகே, டூம் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கும். அண்டு ஷீல்ட் வல்கனோ அப்படி எப்படி இருக்கும்னு சொன்னால், அப்படி சரிவாக இருக்கும். இட் வில் டேப்பர். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? டேப்பராய் இட் லைக் மவுண்டன். இட் வில் so it is like a shield. So it is called as shield volcano. Okay, and this volcanic இதில் much rich silica அதெல்லாம் இருக்குது, நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். Can you able to follow? And this composite volcano example பார்த்தோன்னு சொன்னால், Pacific Ocean, Pacific. And this is example Paricutin in Mexicoல. And this sheet volcano, Mauna Lava, it is in Hawaii Island. Have you all understood, children? Have you all copied it down? Have you all understood? Okay. Shall we pass on to the distribution of earthquake and volcanoes, where we can see the earthquake and volcanoes. What are they? Where can we see the volcanoes? Where it will occur? We can see it now. The distribution of earthquake and volcano. The distribution of earthquake and volcano. Where it will, we can see. This volcano, the earthquake and volcanic eruption strike along the plate boundaries, especially plate boundaries. Plate boundary. எங்க அப்படினு கேட்டா, it is in the Pacific ring of fire. This is very important. Pacific ring of fire. This is the ring of fire is the most seismically active zone. Both volcano anga varum, earthquake anga varum. Understand, the Pacific ring of fire. This is very important seismic zone. It is a seismic zone in the world. Pacific Ocean. Have you heard about the Pacific Ocean? Theriyuma? Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Among all the oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest one. The biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and in this Pacific Ocean only we can see the ring of fire. It is having the, it is called as the seismic zone because both earthquake and this volcano, it is actively, it will take part. Okay. And now we will see the next one, effect of volcanoes. What are the effect of volcanoes? There are two type of effects. They are constructive effects and destructive effects. First one, constructive and destructive effect. There are two types of effects. There are two types of effects. Effects na enna? விளைவுகள் எப்படி இருக்கு? இந்த volcano வர்றதுனால there is merits as well as demerits. The merits is called constructive volcanoes effects, and destructive ன்றது demerit, disadvantage we can say. Merit, demerit சொல்லலாம், advantage, disadvantage we can say, and constructive, destructive we can say. Understand? Now we will see about what are the constructive, what are the merits, நன்மைகள் என்ன இந்த volcano வர்றதுனால, what are the constructive, நன்மைகள் என்னென்ன we can see. Okay. They are, it will cause us, it will constructively enrich the soil fertility. Enrich the soil fertility. And next we can say it is generate geothermal. And the third one is attractive tourism. And the fourth one, building material. For building purposes we can use this. These are all the constructive measures. What are they? Enrich the soil fertility, generate geothermal, tourist, and fourth one is building material. Understand? Destructive method, அது என்னன்னு கேட்டா, it causes earthquake வருது, then flash floods will occur, and it will damage many life and property, and around the volcanic region it will make breathing smoke வந்தா, புகை வந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? Breathing problem will occur. So these are the destructive method, destructive function. So the effect of volcanoes are two types, constructive effects and destructive effects. These are the two types. Okay children, the lesson is over. Next we will pass on to civics. Okay, thank you.